Hi, welcome back to another tutorial of iOS development. We are creating exercise app in iOS development. This is the launcher screen of our application, and what we have to do is add here another image that is this one. Let me just go to the download. So now what we will do is go to the Finder and download. This is the icon. Let me just rename it gem icon, right? And what I will do, just open the Xcode and drag this gem icon into the Xcode, right? Enter the assets and under the section. So let me just drag this and place like this, and after this let me show you the image shows this icon size is x1 and only x1 but not x2 and x3. So what I will do, I will go again to the Safari browser, and for this I will now refresh this and let me just minimize and select image set and click here and click gem icon, choose for upload and generate now. So in the download section, let's unzip this and we will get the iOS application icon. And now what you will do, copy these, first delete it, and now just drag these here. So now the x1, x2 and x3 size are here. Why we created these sizes, let me just close these tabs now. So why we created these icons, to deep knowledge of how icons work in iOS development and how icons meet, right? These are the three image, but it sum up into one because the name is the same and the type of the icons are only different. And same as app icon, these are the icons that we have created, and it look like that we generated via a app icon generator. So the next step is to move on to launcher screen, right? This is day 2 and we are creating the launcher screen of iOS development.